Hello everyone, my name's Tyrell and I'm the Fire Chief for Alberton, Chapple, Emo LaVallee. We've got members of all four of our teams here today to talk to you a little bit about fire safety.
Fire Prevention Week has been happening for over 99 years now. It's always the week of October 9th in remembrance of the Great Chicago Fire, which burned over 17,000 buildings and left 100,000 people without homes.
Hey everyone, my name is Tyler. I'm the Station Chief at LaVallee. This year's Fire Prevention Week theme is Learn the Sounds of Fire Safety. It was noticed this year during a lot of online Zoom calls and even during an Olympic athlete's interview that there was chirping in the background of smoke alarms.
So here we are to teach you the sounds of fire safety. So firefighter Tim here is going to show you how he goes from his normal street clothes into his firefighter gear to get ready to go inside a house. So the first thing he's going to do is he puts on his balaclava, and then he sticks his feet in his boots and pulls up his pants. And normally this has to be done in less than 90 seconds. So he had his boots tucked into his pants, so he could pull his pants on and get his boots on, all nice and quick. He put his hood on first, so that it's down and overlaps with the coat, so that he's protected from all the heat. Now he's got his mask on, and he's pulling his hood up to cover all his skin around his ears and around his face. You want to make sure all that stuff's protected so that he doesn't get burned. Now he pulls his helmet on. This is just like his hard hat. And then his breathing apparatus. And this carries air in it so that he can go into a fire and breathe, even though there'd be no other way for him to breathe. So now he's breathing off the air in the tank, and it's going through the hose and up into his mask, so he's all well protected. And before he goes into any fire, he'd have another partner with him. You'd always go in with two people, and the partners would spin around and they'd check each other and make sure that all his skin and everything's all covered, and there's no parts of him that are exposed. Look good. So if you see this guy in the middle of the night, don't be scared.
We train lots with lots of pretend situations to help us think of what we should do in a real situation. But as long as everyone stays safe and helps prevent fires, we don't need to use this gear.
So, should we pay attention to the sounds our alarms make?
Yes!
Which alarm has 4 beeps?